Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Atlas blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the bed utility package, mobile office package, FX4, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle with a nice tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlights, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, a B&O sound system. We have floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, split folding rear bench, and we do get our cup holders, storage, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt just in front of you. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, mirrors and windows right there. We do get our spotlights, tailgate, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 33,492 kilometers. We do have this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, status info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage, cup holders. You get storage underneath, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. Got that nice center console that does turn into an interior work surface, as well as you do get your normal console, which is pretty handy. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with your engine start stop, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right there. And above me we do have our features for our rear powered window opener, which is pretty nice. We have auto stop, auto start, 360 view of your vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and hill with your blue cruise, which is Ford's self-driving on the highway. Looking here, we do have our audio, which is AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, navigation, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, and you do get little widgets on the side here. Got your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz. Apps in general, there are any apps you download, be right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA05527, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.